Hello folks, this is Scott with Dallas Paint Correction and Luxury Microfiber here in Dallas, Texas. Sunny Dallas, Texas. It's supposed to be about 75 degrees today. Woo! I know if some of you were getting cold weather and snow, my heart goes out to you. I want to talk about how to make your own pad washer. This is going to be a really simple video, but highly effective what I'm going to show you here on one way you can clean your pads if you like. I can't take the credit for this. There was a guy in my Facebook group that told me about this little trick that he did, and I absolutely love it. Can't remember his name. I'm horrible with names. But anyway, what I've done is taken a 5-gallon bucket and I've drilled some holes in the front of the bucket. I want the water that I'm going to put in here to be able to drain forward, and I have no holes towards the rear of the bucket where I'm standing because I don't want the water to come back this way. There is a grit guard inside this bucket. This is probably one of the best uses for a grit guard. I'm teasing, guys. Put this inside the bucket. You've got those little holes there to be able to drain the fluid and the spent residue and compound from the pads that you're going to be rinsing out of the pad. Let me go ahead and do one pad for you guys and show you how I would do this. I would take my pad, a pad cleaner of choice, pick the one you want, spray it onto the pad. These pads haven't been cleaned in weeks. I haven't physically been working, been doing a lot of traveling around the country, and these pads have been sitting around for a while. Shame on me. Then what I'm going to do is put the pad inside the bucket. On top of that grit guard, I'm going to take a hose and simply rinse. Now I'm going to take it out, just slightly squeeze the pad, and I've got myself a relatively clean pad once again. Got some staining on it from a polisher compound, but that is a really cool trick, and you can see the water kind of flowing out of the bucket, and I don't want it flowing towards me. But I'll do it again real quick. Just take your pad cleaner of choice. Maybe it's an APC, maybe it's Dawn Palmolive, maybe you're buying a pad cleaner from a certain manufacturer, all cool to me. And put it on top of that grit guard. Take your little water hose and your little nozzle. Someone's going to ask me, can I use a power washer? Yeah, you can if you want. I'm not a fan of using a power washer with my foam pads because the power washer, if it's too much pressure, can open up the cells of the pad and kind of begin to wear it down. But if you guys are comfortable doing that, go ahead and do it. But there you go. Now I have a clean pad. I'm just going to go ahead and let it dry out, and it'll be ready for my next use. I tell you what, some polishes just forever stain the pad. Not much you can do with it. But I love it. Really cool trick. I want to thank the guy on my Facebook group. What a cool little idea. You can actually get 2 pads in here at the same time if you want to do that route. You can wash them in the sink. I know this is more of like a summer or spring type of cleaning because you want to be outside with a garden hose, but I think it's a cool little trick to be able to quickly wash your pads. Love you guys. Talk to you soon.